In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get Fortnite on Epic Games step by step so you can download it the right way and start playing as quickly as possible. If you've been wondering where to find it, how to claim it, or what to click inside the Epic Games launcher, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC. If you don't already have it installed, you'll need to download the launcher and sign in with your Epic Games account before you can continue. Once the launcher is open, use the search bar and type in Fortnite. Make sure you're looking for the base game because that's the main version you want to claim and install. After the Fortnite page appears, click on it to open the game listing. On that page, you should see a Get button. Click Get to add Fortnite to your account. This is the step that officially claims the game through Epic Games. Next, you'll be taken to a checkout or order confirmation screen, but don't worry, Fortnite is free to download. On that screen, click Place Order to complete the process and confirm that you want to add the game to your library. Once the order is placed, Fortnite will be tied to your Epic Games account. After that, you can go to your library inside the Epic Games launcher. You should now see Fortnite listed there and ready for download. Click the game, then choose Install or Download, depending on what your launcher shows. Pick your install location if needed, and let the download begin. Depending on your internet speed, this may take a little while, so be patient while the files are being installed. When the download is finished, you'll be able to launch Fortnite directly from your Epic Games library and start playing. So just to recap, open Epic Games Launcher, search for Fortnite base game, click Get, click Place Order, and then download it from your library. That's all there is to it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.